Hi everyone, welcome back to the class. All our dreams can come true. All our dreams can come true if we have courage to pursue them. If we have courage to pursue them. By saying this, I'll start today's class, 5th Standard Science, Chapter 1, Living World. Chapter name is Living World. We have heard so many worlds. So, what may be this living world? Actually, before knowing about living world, you must know about the meaning of living. What is living? Living means anything that which has life becomes living. Small bacteria to gigantic organisms like bacteria, plants, animals, insects, everything which has life, they all comes under living. So now we know the meaning of living. Living is nothing but anything that which has life. Next, what is this living world? Is there anything like living world? Yes, Earth is called living world. Why Earth is called living world? Because on the earth so many living organisms is there. So that is why earth is called living world. And any organisms also called living world because those organism has its own nature, its own habitat, its own way of living. Protection of environment is the duty of all. You must have heard this saying. The word environment is very familiar to us. The things around us is environment. The things around us is environment. We can enjoy environment by seeing only. We see hills, forest, river, falls, streams, honeybee, insects, eagle, snake, soil, light, birds and so many other things around us which make us wonder. This is our environment. Our environment is home for diversity. You have the curiosity to know the speciality of this diversity. Have not you? If so, understand this unit. Children, now we know the meaning of living, living world and environment. In this particular chapter, you are going to learn about the difference between living things and non-living things and the characteristics of living things. There are 9 characteristics. In that, first one is living beings made up of cells. Living beings made up of cells. Second one is living beings respire. Second one is what? Living beings respire. Third one is living beings eat food. Third one is living beings eat food. Fourth characteristics is living beings grow. Living beings grow. They'll stage wise they'll grow. Next, fifth one is living beings move. Sixth one is living beings excrete. Seventh one is living beings responds to stimulus. Eighth one is living beings reproduce. Ninth one is living beings have lifespan. So these are the 9 characteristics in detail you are going to learn in this particular chapter. After studying this lesson, you identify living beings and non-living things. Know the important characteristics of living beings. Introduce yourself to the method of food production in plants, life cycle and different types of plants. classify animals based on their feeding habits. Know the importance of protection of plants and animals. In the next class, we are going to discuss about these 9 characteristics in detail. Bye children.